Hey everyone, Roy here with another how-to video, and this one today is user requested or viewer requested. I don't know, but hey, listen, if you're new here, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, go down to the comments and write "I subscribe" so that I can show you my appreciation. It's something that's free to do. It really supports the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So thank you very, very much. All right, in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite features about owning an Android phone. I'm sorry, iPhone users, this will not work for you. I have tried it, okay? And I'm a certified Mac technician, but I could be wrong. So if any of you awesome iPhone users have a way to do this, please let me know in the comments because that would be awesome. Because again, this is one of my favorite all-time cell phone features. And one of my viewers asked me to make this video. So I'm actually about to go post one of my little videos right now on Facebook, and I'm going to use this feature. So it's a perfect time to show it to you. So bear with me. I'm going to share my screen and show you my phone screen. Okay, so I've never just shared my phone screen before, but I believe this is simply my phone screen. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm actually going to pick up the phone. No, I think I'll do the phone with the mouse so you can see, but we're going to slide over. I'm going to do Facebook is where I'm at. Okay, so you can see this is a video that I am making, and what I'm trying to show you is the ability to actually view the clipboard and what's saved on the clipboard, and that you can save on the clipboard. You can actually also pin things to the clipboard, so it's really cool. So the title of this video is, "Wouldn't this be awesome after a night out?" It's me explaining how when you're making money online, you can make money when you're out doing things out and about. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've been at a barbecue or out, at the bar or hanging out with friends or whatever, and I get these notifications on my phone, and I just made some money over something that I did, you know, yesterday, last week, this morning. Doesn't matter because the internet's on 24/7, and with all my content that's out there, I mean, somebody somewhere views it, they get interested, they decide to take a chance, they start up, and I make a commission. Super cool stuff. So the title, again, "Wouldn't this be awesome after a night out?" All right. Now, I'm going to actually make it pop up the Android keyboard because that's what I really should have done. So there, you see the keyboard popped up. And you have to hit this little arrow right here because you don't need the suggestive text. You can't be where it's suggesting text or this won't work. So let me get my tool out here and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. So right here, you have to go back, okay, so that you can see. Let's take that off. Let's go to the mouse. All right. So that it's just the normal clipboard there where you have the speaker, the microphone and stuff. Now you hit these three little dots right here, okay? So these three little dots right over here. Oops, I thought I was drawing again, but apparently I'm not. Okay, here we go. These three dots right here, all right? Those three dots, okay? We're gonna tap those, all right? And then what you're looking for is the little icon called Clipboard. Now, if you haven't used the clipboard, it might not be on your first page. See how there's more than one page right here? Down here at the bottom, you can see that there's actually 3 pages right there. So if you scroll to the right or scroll to the left, then you'll be able to see all the pages. So your clipboard, woo, where did my phone go? I clicked off of it. All right, your clipboard might be on another page. See, there's Grammarly, there's a bunch of different tools in here that you can actually use while you have the keyboard up, which is really cool. There's a one-headed keyboard, there's emojis, there's all kinds of stuff. So anyways, the clipboard is what we're talking about today, though. So the clipboard. All right, and you can see, I'm going to delete this one. So if we click and hold, there we go. I'm going to delete this because what I want to add is, yep, I want to delete one item. And I want to come up here and I'm going to delete this because I want to add, whoa, how many times did it add it? I added it a bunch of times. I didn't mean to click it that many times. All right, so wouldn't this be awesome after a night out? All right, now I want to add my website and my hashtags that I use for Facebook, and I have them saved right here. And like I said, you can actually, if you click and hold, see that little pin icon right there? There's a pin icon and there's a trash icon up here. You have to tap and hold so that it's selected. So you can tap and hold, okay? And I'm going to go back because I don't want to hold. But if there's something that you say a lot, you can pin it, and then it's always down here and it doesn't get deleted, because these get erased every so often. Actually, and on the Android, I actually find that I have to go erase them, but these are the ones I use. So I have, the ones that I use for sending people to my YouTube, the ones that I use for people for Facebook, the ones that I use for Instagram and Reels, the ones that I use for TikTok, et cetera, on here handy. So now I'm going to take and put my hashtags and website on there, and then I'm just going to copy all of this text, okay? Because I'm going to post this now to my business page instead of my Facebook profile. And I'm going to say copy, and you'll notice when I say copy that it's going to come down here to the clipboard. I might have to come back into the clipboard. We're going to close the suggested again. We got to be where it's a magnifying glass, excuse me, microphone, etc. We're going to click through the little dots again. We're going to go to keyboard or clipboard, and now you can see there's the wouldn't this be awesome after a night out, and then with my hashtags and stuff. So now I'm going to share the video. All right, and we're going to wait for it to actually post. It's quite often that I get 100, 200, 500,000, couple thousand views on my videos. But anyways, it takes it a minute to upload. But as soon as I see that it actually uploaded this video, there it is. See, it's ready to share. Then I'm going to switch to my business profile. And that's where this comes in really handy, is when you're doing something that's a repeated task like this, right? So I'm going to scroll up if it'll let me scroll up. Come on. Oh, hey, too far. All right. I want to do my story. So I got videos pre-done, so I don't have to work this weekend. Isn't that cool? It's this one. Going to do that. We're going to go to Reels, new reel. We're going to say this one. Next. And now this is a new feature where they let you pick the screen that it displays. We're going to do the one with text on it, right? And then here, and this is, and see, it already brought up where I'm at the speaker and the magnifying glass or the microphone. So I can hit the three little dots, I can go to clipboard, and I can just do that. Boom. There it has my hashtags and everything done. Now I do the same thing. I come in here and I wait for it to say, hey, your video is ready to view. And it's really weird because sometimes like my business page will have more views and sometimes my personal page will have more views. It varies. It's interesting. So it's worth it to have two different sources. There we go. It's free to, it's good. And I haven't researched like what the best tags are for some of these other things. So I just use the same one, but like for Twitter, for example, we're going to come in here. We're going to do a new tweet. And it is the wouldn't it be awesome one, this one. Same deal. It makes it super efficient if you're repurposing content. And there it goes. Wouldn't this be awesome? Boom. That's uploading. You can see at the top. Anyways, so let me stop sharing my screen here. That is what I wanted to show you today, is the clipboard feature on Android. And it's incredibly helpful. Like, I use it for all kinds of things. I use it for quickly saving hashtags and whatnot for different platforms. I use it for saving stuff that I say all the time. Like when you get somebody that asks you the same question, like all the time, and you're like, oh, I gotta type this again. You can put it in your clipboard and you can pin it, and you can just scroll, click, tap, you're done. Everybody thinks that you are just a super fast texter, but in reality, it was in your clipboard. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you can do anything like that freaking awesomeness on an iPhone. I want to know. All right, have a beautiful day. See you on the next video.